Literally hundreds of comments have come through asking when is the Schenley steamer going to be back? And it was kinda unaliving me inside that I did not have an answer for you guys. But consider this your PSA, they are back. I've actually never seen anything sell so fast and sell out of stock as the Schenley steamer. But there's a reason for it, many reasons for it. There's just simply no better steamer system for less than $100. It's handheld and floor model, and it comes with more attachments than you could ever need, including a grout attachment, which is an absolute lifesaver. Our lifestyle is hard to keep up with, and this was one of the best purchases we've made. Couple tips, make sure you use distilled water, and no, you should not put a cleaning product in the machine. You can spray it on the surface of whatever you're using, but don't put it in there. This probably has been the most sought after and fought after product of 2024, but that is because it's great, point blank. My link is on the bottom left above my name, and I'm telling you right now, run.